everyone, welcome back to our channel. Imagine a world where your website speaks directly to your visitors, transforming your blog posts, product pages, and guides into engaging human-like audio. Meet GSpeech, the AI-powered text-to-speech platform that transforms the way we connect with visual content. GSpeech is making websites more accessible, inclusive, and dynamic for creators, businesses, and audiences worldwide. And let's now explore how GSpeech can elevate your content. Audio is essential for modern websites. Studies show that sites with text-to-speech boost visitor sessions by up to 30%. Why? Users, whether commuters, multitaskers, or those with visual impairments, love the convenience and inclusivity of audio. GSpeech makes your website more accessible, hooks your visitors, and gives you an SEO edge with longer dwell times. GSpeech harnesses cutting-edge AI to deliver natural-sounding voices in over 230 styles across 76 languages. Whether you're narrating blogs, enhancing your e-commerce, or creating audiobooks, GSpeech makes your content come alive. It's plug-and-play, requiring no tech skills, and integrates seamlessly with platforms like WordPress. And from accessibility to engagement, GSpeech is your all-in-one audio solution. And here's what makes it stand out. Lifelike voices, you can pick from 230 plus natural voices with adjustable pitch and speed for a perfect feed. You get real-time translation. You can reach global audiences with audio in 76 languages instantly. Custom audio players, you can design a player that matches your site's style, the colors, layout, and more. Read highlighted text player feature. This one allows your users to highlight any text on your site and listen to it instantly with real-time translation into any supported language. Audio downloads. You can let your users save content as podcasts or audiobooks. Smart Analytics. You can track plays and user insights via this GSpeech Dashboard. And audio updates. Audio syncs with your text edits in real time, so when you make any changes, it's automatically there. It's fast, cloud-powered, and works flawlessly on phones, tablets, and desktops. So now let's go and dive deep into this tool and see how you can integrate this tool into your workflow. Now, before we dive deeper into how to add GSpeech to your website, how it works, how to configure it, let's first see simply what it does. And here it is added to my website. It's automatically already added to the specific page that I created. And let's just listen it for a bit.
Text-to-speech technology can create more engaging content for customers.
Wow, this is amazing actually. The tone, the speed, everything is perfect. And you can configure the voice, and everything here that you see is customizable. You can choose to enable and disable these buttons that you have here that you give the option to your users to choose. You can configure the style to match it with the look and feel of your website. You can also add this one here, different ways of using GSpeech. Your users can also highlight a specific part and just ask it to either translate or just turn this into audio.
Text-to-speech technology can.
So this is amazing actually. And now let's go to the backend to see how we can get something like this. Now I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and here I've already installed and activated the GSpeech plugin, and let's get immediately started. So let's head to Cloud Console, and here I can see the main settings that you're gonna deal with. And let's get started with the general one. So here we were able to choose the language, to choose from 76 languages available. And then here you can easily switch between your plans that you have. The status, you need to set this to publish so that it works on your website. Affiliate, if you want to get some commission, if someone else buys GSpeech via the link that you're gonna have, then you can enable this as well. Lazy loading, this is for better page speed. So if it's not used, let's say by the user, it's not loading. And then we have auto enable. So if you enable this, it's going to automatically appear on pages, posts, unless you specify, and we're going to specify it below. On homepage, you can enable or disable this, read titles, and multi-language support. Great, here we can configure the post types. You can choose page, post, attachments. So we are going to set this to all, and the categories as well. Now voice configuration, you can choose the voice. Here you have so many options available, and you can customize the speed and pitch as well, and listen to this and actually see if it's the voice you want to have on your website. Great, then we have this option. This is what I was talking about by excluding and allowing some pages or some content. So here you can introduce the content that you want to exclude. You can put here the allowed URLs or the blocked URLs that you do not want to turn the text into speech. And you can also enable this on-the-fly translation, which is a great feature, and we're gonna see this in a bit. So let's save this settings. And now let's head to the player, and if we go here, you can see you have a couple of buttons here that your users can use, such as the playback speed, the volume, the audio language, and audio voice. These are where you can customize them. So you can enable or disable the speed control, the volume control, the text panel, the download audio option, whether you want them to download or not, the content player, the place count, and then you can also customize the animation, how you wish it to appear on your website when the user first gets into a specific page or post. And then if you head to translation, so this is about the real-time translation. And I'm talking about this. So whenever the user chooses something and then hits this is the audio language that they can customize, they can customize it from here as well. So to customize that, you're simply going to need to tick the languages that you want to be in the live translation option that your users can use. So this is very easy. Just choose the one that you want and hit save, and it's going to be in this list of translating languages. Great. Now there is also this powerful feature which allows your users to listen to the audio in their desired voice. So for that, they're simply going to need to click on this audio voice button and choose between these options. So this is the default one. Let's
GSpeech.
play this.
Text-to-speech technology can create.
Okay, so we've already heard this one. Now let's go to, let's say, Maya.
For customers. Convert your articles, blog, or any content.
Perfect. Let's go to maybe John.
Blog or any content into high-quality text-to-speech audio for users who prefer listening over reading.
Amazing, but there's more to it. Your users can also click on this text panel and follow the text while listening to the audio. So it's going to highlight the area which you are currently listening to. Let's see.
It also shows that you're willing to go the extra mile to accommodate your customers. Transforming text into speech can provide an engaging experience for audiences.
As you can see, this is very helpful for your users. Now let's head to this widget section here and customize the style of these widgets. You can add a new widget from here, but let's use the existing ones. And head to this design section that we have here. So we've got these themes to choose from, and I think I'm gonna stick to one of these. I like this one, and I'm gonna choose the player color purple. This one is good, and I think it's looking good. And the good thing about this is that every change that you do here, make here, it's gonna be reflected on this live preview. But we're also gonna check that on the website. So important things here. So we have two kind of players. This is the SoundCloud player. If you see, this is a bit bigger than this New York player that we've got. But let's first see this one, and let's save the changes. And let's head to our page and reload this. And you can see that it's automatically updated, which is great. And now let's also go back and enable this New York player. So this is gonna automatically disable this one. Let's save the changes. Well, I love this tool that it's automatically reflected here, so this is great. Then another thing that you can do, let's go back to SoundCloud Player, and this is the play button. You can see how you can customize it. I think I'm going to set this to this one, and let's just do a couple of changes to see how these actually work. So I'm going to set to this one. You can choose the icons background, and let's see what this one does. So yeah, this one deletes the header, so you can get rid of the header, and you can also have no background, which is a bit dull, so I'm gonna stick to this beautiful background that we have chosen, and we can save the changes. Great, I like this one. Now you may wonder, what if I want to put my player in the middle of my post or anywhere else, but not on the top of the page? That's feasible, and that's where the shortcodes come in. So if you head to the dashboard section, and if you navigate a bit down, you can see these shortcodes respectively for the full page player, button player, and circle player. So let's copy this and head to a specific post. Let's say we want to put this one in the middle of here, and then let's go and put this one, let's say here. It doesn't make sense, but just for the sake of testing. And let's say this one, let's put this one right here. So these are the three options in just one page. And let's save the changes. Great. And preview them here. Let's update the page. So you can see this is the page by default. This is the player, full page player. This is the button. This is the circular button. And let's also quickly customize this read highlighted text widget. So if you had to, again, design and preview, we're able to choose from this templates that we've got. And I think I'm gonna stick to this purple. And then you can also choose the icon position, and let's save the changes. Great. Now if we head to here and update this, and we select a specific area, you can see that it's in the coloring that we have chosen. Great. Now you can also head to this audios, and you can find all audios here. You can choose for a specific widget, for the multi-page widget, full page, the read highlighted text area. And if you go into every audio here, you can also go back and see some charts, insights into the specific audio. Now, another thing that you can add using GSpeech is this welcome message. So if you head to the widgets and then head to welcome message, and if you enable this, this is gonna let your users know that this site wants to play an audio. Do you wish to continue or something like that? So if you set this to publish and then head to content, you are able to customize this content here. So you can say welcome to our website and say something else. Try GSpeech today. And let's save this. And let's head to our page. Update this. And as you're gonna see, it's gonna say this page wants to play audio, play or close. So they can choose to play, and if they choose to play,
welcome on our website. Try GSpeech today.
So it's gonna say the welcome message, and then it's gonna continue playing this audio. So this is great. And then another thing is the analytics. So you can get insights into how this audios are used by users? Are they using it? Are there specific pages that the users use the audio most? Maybe the pages and not the post, maybe vice versa, or maybe the product descriptions. When you have like WooCommerce and you add your products and their product descriptions, you're gonna see like how they are using this, and you can see the country statistics, the city statistics, and the device statistics on which device the audios are used most. Maybe desktop, maybe phone, etc. So this one is just done by me. That's why we see not that many insights into how the GSpeech was used specifically on this website. But if you start using it over and over on your website and your users use it, you're gonna get so many insights into the tool and into the text-to-speech idea overall and how you can enhance it. Now, who can benefit from GSpeech? Bloggers, obviously. You can turn your posts into podcasts for on-the-go listeners. E-commerce, you can add audio product descriptions for richer shopping experience. Educators, you can turn your online lessons into audio as well to make a better e-learning experience for your students. And nonprofits as well. You can turn your stories into audio to reach diverse communities. This is especially powerful for those with visual impairments, making your content truly inclusive. Ready to make your website talk? GSpeech is your key to captivating, inclusive, and global content. Visit GSpeech.io to try it for free and see how easy it is to bring your text to life. Transform your website, connect with your audience, and unlock the power of audio today. See you soon. Bye-bye.